Tonight, our very special guest is Professor David Sinclair. David is professor of genetics at Harvard Medical School, co-director of the Glenn Center for the Biology of Aging Research, inventor, innovator, company founder, best-selling author, and healthcare pioneer. He was named by Time magazine one of the 100 most influential people in the world and one of the top 50 people in healthcare for his groundbreaking research on delaying and reversing aging. In this interview, Professor Sinclair will address some exciting questions about why we age and why we don't have to, and what we can do now to give us the best chance of a long, healthy life. David, thank you very much for being with us today.
Well, thank you for having me.
Yeah, we are thrilled to have you. I am a big fan of your research on longevity and epigenetics. I am myself a lecturer in epigenetics, and we teach in this class that epigenetic changes are one of the hallmarks of aging, and these are changes of how our genes are turned on and off. And epigenetics has revolutionized the way we think of and measure aging, not only in terms of time, but also in terms of biology. So I would like to start and ask you, what is biological age and how epigenetic clocks can help us measure it?
Yeah, well, until we had the ability to measure our biological age, we had to rely on birthday candles. But now that we have an understanding of the aging process, in particular the epigenetic underlying basis of aging, we can measure how rapidly we're aging. In other words, how rapidly are we deteriorating towards disease, particularly age-related diseases. And that's important because now we can actually say how old we are in reality, not based on birthday candles or how many times the earth has gone around the sun, but actually how old is our body, how worn out, how worn down, and how close we are to death. And we can measure this very accurately now with epigenetic clocks, and there are other clocks as well we have, and the ability now to control the aging process, both in the forwards and the reverse direction. So it's a super exciting time for the aging field. Finally, we have a handle on why we age and how to measure it, and increasingly how to control that process. Great. Yeah, thank you for having me on. It's enjoyable for me to see how many people are getting into this field, which when I started was the backwater of science and had very little respect, but now it's probably the hottest area of biology or one of them. It's very exciting. So yeah, join the movement and spread the word, because I don't think there's anything more impactful than this one.
Thank you.
Thanks, David.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.